This problem is related to total pressure and degree of dissociation. Let us try this problem. So we have been given dissociation of PCl5. It gives PCl3 plus Cl2. All species are gases. When we have total pressure is 4 atmospheric pressure, percentage dissociation is 10%. Let us call this as P1. We also know degree of dissociation into 100 is equals to percentage dissociation. So in this case we can say, let us say alpha 1 is the degree of dissociation. So we have alpha 1 is 0.1. We have to find total pressure at which 20% is the dissociation. Let us say total pressure is P2. At which percentage dissociation is 20%. This means degree of dissociation is zero point 0.2. So let us call this as alpha 2 is equals to 0.2. PCl3 plus Cl2. All species are gases. Let us find a general expression between degree of dissociation and total pressure. So initially we have a mole of PCl5 and degree of dissociation is alpha. So we will have A alpha mole of chlorine, A alpha mole of PCl3 and A minus A alpha mole of PCl5. We can calculate mole fraction of chlorine. This is mole of chlorine divided by total mole at equilibrium. That is alpha by 1 plus alpha. Let us say total pressure is P. That we can say partial pressure due to chlorine is equals to mole fraction of chlorine into total pressure. Mole fraction is alpha by 1 plus alpha. Total pressure is P. Similarly, we can find partial pressure of PCl3, and this will be same because we have A alpha mole. Here also we have A alpha mole. Now let us find mole fraction of PCl5. This is mole of PCl5 divided by total mole. So we can calculate partial pressure of PCl5 into P total. Mole fraction is 1 minus alpha by 1 plus alpha. Total pressure is P. Now we can write expression for Kp, that is partial pressure of chlorine into partial pressure of PCl3 divided by partial pressure of PCl5. So this is PCl3. Chlorine and PCl3 both are same partial pressure. PCl5 will have so we can cancel 1 plus alpha, P and P. So Kp is equals to alpha square P 1 minus alpha square. A plus B into A minus B is equals to A square minus B square. So this is a general expression between alpha and P that is related with the Kp value. Now question says when we have alpha is 0.1, total pressure is 4 atmospheric pressure. When alpha is 0.2, we have to calculate total pressure. So we can write two equations. Pressure is 4. Pressure is P. Degree of dissociation is 0.2. Now we can equate these two equations. So this value cancels. So this is 1 by 0.99. So we can calculate P is equals to 0.989. So when we will have total pressure of 0.989 atmospheric pressure, degree of dissociation will be 0.2. That is percentage dissociation 20%. So this is a easy problem. We have to write expression for Kp and then we can equate.